Scalar Product has two different formulas and both of them are given to you on your formula sheet. So this first one is all about having angles. So when you've got the angle between two vectors, you can use A, B, cos theta. Okay, so for this one here, A dot B, or scalar product, or our dot product, is the magnitude of A times the magnitude of B times by cos theta. The important thing to check when you're doing this is that your arrows have to be pointing in the same direction. So either both your arrows have to be pointing away from your angle, as they are in this example, or if they were both going in towards my angle, then that would be perfectly fine as well. Can't have them going in opposite directions, so they have to be pointing towards the angle, both towards the angle, or both away from the angle. So the magnitude of A, we're told, is 6, times by the magnitude of B, which is 5, times by cos of your angle, so cos 40. Stick that in your calculator and you get 22.98. This second example, so it's a little bit different. Not only is it given in radians, but this is also an example of when your arrows are pointing in different directions. So this arrow is pointing towards my angle, or towards my radians, and this one is pointing away. Now, when that happens, you can work your way around it by extending this line up here, and that's where that pi over 3 is coming from. So if we know that angles in a straight line add up to 180, or in terms of radians they add up to pi, this angle in here must be pi over 3. So we can't use 2 pi over 3 because we've got one angle pointing in and we've got one pointing away, so we have to use pi over 3 for this one. So we can still use the same formula. A dot B is the magnitude of A times by the magnitude of B times by cos theta. So we know from the question that the magnitude of A is 4, magnitude of B is 7, and then we're timesing it by cos pi over 3. So pi over 3, not 2 pi over 3. Cos pi over 3, so if you know your radian exact values, that's perfect. If you don't, remember that pi is 180. 180 divided by 3 is 60, and cos of 60 is a half. We can then use that and figure out that our dot product for this one is 14.